I managed to earn over $1,000 per day using this innovative Google method, and you can achieve the same results by carefully following every step outlined in this guide. The best part is that this approach is applicable in nearly all countries around the world, ensuring accessibility for everyone. Welcome to Ask AI. If you're excited to learn more, don't forget to like this video before we dive in. Let's start with the first step, which involves leveraging Google to generate income online. By the end of this video, I will also reveal a bonus strategy that can help you earn up to 10 times more money in a shorter time. So, make sure to watch until the very end for all the details. To begin, there are numerous websites where you can utilize Google as a tool to make money. For instance, platforms like StudyPool allow you to earn over $7,000 monthly by answering students' questions and assisting them with their homework. You can perform much of your research through Google to excel at this. Similarly, you can visit Trimata, where you're paid $5 to $30 for completing usability tests. Another option is Cash Stars, a website that pays you for simply browsing the web using Google. Additionally, there's Swash App, which compensates you for general internet browsing and Google searches. Lastly, SERPclicks lets you earn money, typically between 5 cents and 10 cents per click by participating in search engine click tasks. While these options are excellent, today I'll share a strategy to build your own side hustle using Google, and the best part is that it's completely free. First, open Google and search for Google Docs. Click on the top result, which will direct you to the Google Docs homepage. From there, sign in with your Gmail account and open a blank document by selecting the blank template. Keep this document open as we'll use it in the upcoming steps. Next, open a new tab and search for Google Maps. Choose the link leading to maps.google.com. This step might not make sense immediately, but trust me, it's crucial for what comes next. In step 3, head over to ChatGPT and log into your account. Once there, prompt ChatGPT to generate a list of 20 local business types and 20 profitable cities worldwide. For example, it might suggest businesses like grocery stores in Dubai. ChatGPT will quickly provide you with this valuable information. Don't worry, you won't need to provide services directly to these businesses to earn money with this method. Let's say you decide to focus on a coffee shop in New York City. Return to Google Maps and search for coffee shops in New York City. You'll find a variety of listings, but we're interested in the ones that aren't ranking at the top and have a rating below 4.5 stars. Choose a coffee shop from this list, click on it, and navigate to its website, which is usually linked within the business profile. Once on their website, locate their contact information, such as an email address, which is often found at the bottom of the page. Copy their website link and paste it into the Google Doc you opened earlier. Then, copy their email address and paste it next to the corresponding website link in the document. Repeat this process for other businesses and industries suggested by ChatGPT. Now, before we proceed to the money-making part of this method, let's address a common concern. Some people find starting a YouTube channel challenging because of the costs associated with screen recording and video editing software. However, there's a solution: Demo Creator. This all-in-one tool simplifies the entire video creation process, from screen recording to editing and beyond. It not only records your screen but also enhances your overall content creation experience. Some standout features include full screen recording, multi-track editing, and AI-powered tools like auto subtitles, noise removal, and background removal. The software also offers an array of effects, templates, and filters, making it perfect for creating engaging videos. You can download Demo Creator for free using the link in the description or pinned comment. After installing and logging in, you'll gain access to a user-friendly interface packed with features to enhance your videos. Returning to the Google-based earning strategy, the next step is to join the Fiverr affiliate program. Start by searching for Fiverr affiliate program on Google and clicking the link in the search results. Fiverr is a platform where freelancers offer a range of services to businesses around the globe. By referring clients to these freelancers, you can earn commissions ranging from 25% to 100% of the client's first purchase. To get started, click on the Join Now button and fill out the necessary details to create your affiliate account. Once you have your Fiverr affiliate account, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to draft 3 professional email templates for reaching out to businesses. You can pause this video or take a screenshot of the provided prompt to ensure you're using the correct instructions. ChatGPT will generate customized email drafts within seconds. These emails can then be tailored to the businesses you've identified earlier. Next, access the marketing tools within your Fiverr affiliate account and choose the default and deep links option. This feature allows you to create specific affiliate links for promoting individual Fiverr gigs. For example, if you select an SEO optimization gig priced between $250 and $500, you'll earn a significant commission for each sale. Simply copy the gig link, paste it into the deep link generator on Fiverr, and save the updated link for promotion. With your affiliate links ready, return to your Google Doc where you've compiled business email addresses. Open your Gmail account and compose a new email. Paste a business's email address in the recipient field and use one of the ChatGPT-generated subject lines. Then, copy the email body provided by ChatGPT, ensuring you replace placeholders with the correct business names and other details. Finally, insert your Fiverr affiliate link in the appropriate sections of the email. Once you've personalized everything, send the email. Repeat this process for each business on your list. To maximize your earnings, use Google Docs to streamline your outreach process and contact multiple businesses efficiently. This method enhances your chances of securing commissions by scaling your efforts strategically. By carefully customizing each email with relevant details and inserting affiliate links, you create a professional and personalized approach that resonates with recipients. Consistency is crucial. Regularly send tailored emails to different businesses while ensuring accuracy and attention to detail. This secret strategy can help you stand out and earn significantly more than others using similar methods, making it a powerful tool for boosting your online income effectively. In conclusion, this method of making money using Google is straightforward and accessible. From identifying potential clients and generating email templates to leveraging Fiverr's affiliate program, every step is designed to maximize your earnings. And with tools like Demo Creator, creating content to support your efforts has never been easier. So don't wait, start implementing this strategy today and begin your journey to earning over $1,000 per day online. Thank you for watching. If you want to see video more like this, subscribe the channel and get notified.